everyone. Today, I, Lavanya Grover, along with my teammate Arvind, are going to present a prototype called Automatic Floor Cleaner based on the problem statement Health, innovating solutions for the patients suffering from the most common diseases in India. Now, let us first get to know why we chose to make this project.
We believe cleanliness is next to godliness. It is very important to maintain good hygiene. But elderly people who live alone, it is a very tedious work to do the basic household chores like cleaning. During the COVID times, we witnessed a situation where neither we allowed nor anyone was ready to come to our houses. Also, we became hygiene conscious. Many people in India suffer from allergies due to dust particles present around us. So we decided to make this prototype to prevent germs, diseases and many other problems.
Now, let us get to know how our project works. Automatic Floor Cleaner is a robot that cleans the floor while avoiding obstacles that come in its path. The motor driver shield is connected to the Arduino Uno. The servo motor, BO motor, batteries and the ultrasonic sensor are connected to the motor driver shield. Now, let us see the movement of our project. When the project moves and an object comes in its way, it gets detected by the ultrasonic sensor. It then moves back and rotates around to search for a new path with the help of the servo motor. As soon as the new path is found, it changes its direction and moves towards it, and so on. Meantime, the brush attached underneath cleans the floor. The project that we made is a really power efficient project and it can be used in each and every field at schools, hospitals, offices and a lot more places.
The project we made is a very basic prototype and many features can be added to it in the near future. We can add 2 separate compartments for water and liquid floor cleaning detergents so that it can clean the floor side by side. We can also designate a specific app for this prototype so that we can use it in our absence if needed. Also, a vacuum cleaner can be attached so that the automatic floor cleaner sucks up the dust collected by the brushes underneath the automatic floor cleaner.
We hope that you like our project and it serves the purpose it was made for. Thank you.